My name is Rahul. Today we are going to look at how to make a paper plane like this. All you need for this is a A4 size paper. So let's get going. Okay, so we will start by folding the paper in half and press firmly to get a sharp crease. Open the paper up and then fold on the other side to get a second crease. Press firmly. Now from the center crease to the bottom corner, make a new crease. Don't worry about the top end not meeting the center edge. That is fine, it's not supposed to. So draw a line from the center point to the bottom corner and press firmly. Do the same thing on the other side, from the center to the bottom corner. Make a fold and create a sharp crease. This is a very interesting design, different from all other planes that we have made so far. Now take the corner, that edge, and match it to the new fold that we created and press firmly. Do the same thing on the other side. And now we are going to open it up so that you get this shape. Same thing on the other side. You open it up. Turn the paper over and then make this fold. Now from the bottom, make a fold. From the bottom corner, the edge goes to the center crease, and then you do the same thing on the other side. Then fold the paper inwards and then turn it over and do the same thing on the other side. Now we are doing this so that we get two levels at the bottom that will work as vertical stabilizers. So fold the paper in half, and now what we are going to do is from that edge to that corner, you're going to fold. Okay, so you try to match the bottom edge, the middle one, and then make a crease. These make the wings of the plane, and then you're going to fold the ends to create the vertical stabilizers. So you're going to fold it and make sure that you align the edge so the vertical stabilizers are straight. Same thing on the other side, which will give you a very cool looking plane having delta wings and vertical stabilizers. Enjoy your flight.